Welcome to Excel with Dom. The if statement is written in the following format. Equals, if, open parenthesis, your logical test, comma, the value you desire if the logical test is true, comma, the value you desire if the logical test is false, closed parenthesis. Here is an example of how to use it. In this worksheet, I have a list of names in column A. In column B is each person's age. Let's say I want the value in column C to say adult if the age in column B is greater than 18 and display minor if the age is less than 18. In the first cell of column C, let's write that conditional statement, equals if, open parenthesis. My logical test is B1 is greater than 18, comma, adult, comma, minor, closed parenthesis. Robert is over 18, so that row in column C will show adult. Now I'll click drag to continue this formula down through Vicky. The formula is repeated for each row. Thank you for watching Excel with Dom. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Contact me with questions and special requests for new content. Direct messages welcome, or send emails to excelwithdom@gmail.com.